Secured on with super glue, a police officer pries away at a camouflage device stuck on an ATM found inside a Seaford 7-Eleven.
There you go. Unbelievable. Right over the outside of the other. Wow.
Along with the card reader, investigators found a pinhole camera with a transmitter placed right above the keypad, used to capture unsuspecting victims' fingers entering their personal identification number. Once that information is transmitted to the person who installed the skimmer, they'll have everything they need to access and drain your account. The video posted by Ryan Francis on Facebook is connected to a warning and some advice. The first pictures of the ATM reader are the skimming device. It's supposed to be flushed, not raised. Learned that from the detectives. He goes on to say, the only reason I realized something was fishy is because I'm paranoid and I always pull on the card reader before I use anything that reads cards. This one was glued on, so pulling it raised no alarms, but when I squeezed it, it moved. I pulled on it hard and saw the actual card reader behind it. Police say they are investigating this report of the skimmer, and they're telling everyone to use caution while they use the ATM. We're live in Seaford, Long Island. Magdalena, Doris, CBS 2 News.